Hi guys, I'm Alin. Thank you for watching my video. Today I'm gonna talk to you about the GORILLAPOD mobile vlogging kit, which is this one. It's got quite a few accessories, but it's small, and for any kind of trip I think it's okay. Instead of taking with you big tripods or big microphones like this, you better just pack it up and see what it is. I'm gonna start with a short unboxing and then check each and every part in the box. Keep watching.
You gotta hit play.
So this is the box. You got the product, wonderful. Already opened it. I couldn't wait to see what's in it. And now, this is the content, the magnificent content of the box. You just heard the box drop. Now, we've got here the mobile rig, the tripod, the grip mobile head, the mini LED light, which has got a widescreen here. It's good. I'm not sure if it's gonna blind you if you keep it on like that, or it will be better like that. It's for you guys to decide if you buy this. We also get the mount for the light. Here we've got the GoPro mount. And the flashlight mount. There's a pouch. We might as well keep something useful in it. Here we've got a small USB cable. This is the cable from for the camera. It's the TRS cable. This is the TRSS cable for the phone. Here we've got an adapter, and you can plug it into your phone, the iPhone. And two additional GORILLAPOD arms. A great piece of it, if you don't have a microphone like I have, you might as well have the microphone included with the windscreen, like you see the dead cat. It's a shotgun microphone. I hope it's good. Never tested it yet, but in a future upload I might as well see how it does. And that's the grip for the microphone. So here we've got the rig, the tripod with modular arms. You might as well just stick it to a branch or something like that if you're on a hike trip or something. Your choice. We also have the phone grip, which I so like because it's not spring loaded, you know. I used quite a few cheap ones, and if you don't mount the phone correctly and you just stretch it all over, you might as well set it in landscape mode or portrait mode, your choice. You've got here this knob, you just twist it and locks everything. Don't twist it, don't tilt it. And now here, this one, tilt it up, back, front, back. So we mount it here on the tripod, which is a bit wiggly now. Let me put it correctly. Okay. Now let's grab the phone. Put the phone in. And like I said, twist this and it's fixed. See? You want the phone to tilt. And now to add the accessories, we've got the arms. Mount them on the phone grip and use them whatever we want. take the other arm and mount it here as well. It holds up to 3 accessories of your choice. Now let's see, we need some lighting. I got the small light here. It's got 2 buttons. One of them, press it. I'm not sure if it's charged right now. Yes, the left one, press it, it lights. The right one, press it once, either it dims the light or it turns it off. I think it turned it off mine. See, it dims the light, make the light more shine. And there's a nice thing for it. There's a magnet here, so you can stick it to any surface. Maybe you don't need to film with it, you just need to put it there. So we've got this wonderful piece here to mount it on the phone. And here we've got the light. The next piece is the microphone. This is a shotgun microphone, entry level, with a windshield screen as well. This is the bracket. It's a bit stiff on the microphone. Put it here. Take the light. Put the microphone. And we've got the audio cable with the adapter, like I said, for the iPhone. Mounted right here. And then in the phone. And guess what? This light, we can almost mount it on one of the arms. And set it as we want. And now we've got a pretty small rig, which I think is useful in many situations. The thing is, you should take care of the light. Don't do like I did. Usually this red door here is a bit stiff, and instead of sticking something on the right side, I tried opening it on the wrong side and I broke mine. The thing is, there shouldn't be an issue because here we've got a rubber lid, so it protects from rain or everything else. If you liked it, I've got the link in the description. Please buy, would help my channel. Thank you very much.